So I've been using these for a really long time, shutter grips. I actually have 2 of them, but I'm having an issue. It's not working anymore. I don't know what's going on. I can't imagine both of them not working. I thought one was just not working. I changed out the battery. I'm going to do a separate video on what's going on with this. Maybe one of you guys could help me in regards to this. So I need this to work. So I ended up finding this on Amazon. Now, one of the things I like about this is that it's case friendly. As you can see, it holds on without an issue. So when I mount this to my mini tripod that I use, I can actually, you can use this as a remote and everything to take pictures. So I need something that'll fit my Apple battery case. So I ended up finding this, and it got a lot of good reviews. So let's take a look at it. Okay, that's pretty cool. It comes with a camera strap, looks like. It comes with its own little mini tripod. Micro USB. So is this rechargeable? Very yellow, but a great price. I can't remember what I paid for it, but I know it's not that expensive. So that's the camera, and you can take it out. And do you charge it? Oh, that's awesome! You charge it. That's great. So no watch batteries. That is great. The only thing is I got to remember to charge it all the time. But it's great. Comes with a charge it. Okay. Now the ultimate. Well, let me just take everything out first. What else is in there? Little bag, I guess, to carry everything, and the looks like the instruction manual. Nothing else in there. So this is everything that comes in the box. A nice soft pouch. I might use this because I keep it in my sling bag that I carry around. This I probably won't use, so I'll just put it to the side. Tripod definitely using, but I'm probably gonna use, I think I have a better one, which is metal. Instruction manual is gonna keep. The remote control. And what is? Oh, this is the little pen that you could write on for the pictures. That's pretty cool. I saw that on the. That's so when you edit the pictures, you can touch the screen and edit it. That's cute. Comes with its own little thing. It's made out of. It's like a metal or aluminum. It's the actual holder. I like it a lot. And a tripod mount. And the ultimate. Let's see if it's case friendly. Guess what? It's not. Nope. Let me see. Can I get it? Don't like the way it's holding. Seems okay. While you charge the remote, that little light right here, I should have done a video on it, but it's red. So it's been about an hour, a little bit more than an hour. So the red light just went out. So I'm assuming it's fully charged now. So let's try it out. Okay, so again, it's not case friendly. With my Apple case, this is the battery, the official Apple battery case. And I have it on my iPhone all the time. I get over a day and a half of battery total. Okay, so this is it right here. All right, let's see what we do. Following no instructions, I'm assuming I press the button, the light comes on, and the Bluetooth should come up. Yeah. There. Okay, it did come up for a second. What happened? There it is. And it's paired. So now I go to my regular photos, press the button, and there it goes. It's taking pictures. So again, I have no case on my phone. It's working just great. I got it on wrong. It goes this way so that you can have a nice grip. And it's nice, I like these adapters. Like I said, I had the Photogrip one. No issues no problems with setting it up, and it works with my case. I'm just having some issues with it, that's why I'm trying this one. But this one's got to go back because it doesn't fit the case I use all the time. But it's nice. You got fingers here for the grip and everything. It's not bad at all. And with the actual slides in, locks into place, and you just take pictures like a regular camera. That's nice. I like it. If you're not going to use a case, but I use the battery one. I hate taking it off and on. That's probably, I've almost dropped my phone a few times doing that, so I want to minimize that. It's a nice looking stand and everything. Okay. I like it. Looks really nice. Let me try to see how far. I have a hole that's about 50 feet away. So let me see if it still takes pictures 50 feet away. So I set this up 50 feet away. I have a hole that's about 50 feet long. And I was able to take a picture from that far away. I don't know why you would ever need to be that far, but if you ever need to, you can be that far. So the connection reaches a really long distance, and I like it, I really do. But too bad it doesn't fit my case, so I gotta return it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.